In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft Excel you have. Knowing your exact Excel version helps you follow the right tutorials, install compatible add-ins, and get accurate help from support teams. Versions can differ in features and layout, so confirming what you're running saves time and confusion. Start by opening Excel on your computer. It doesn't matter if you have a workbook open or a blank sheet. Either is fine. Look to the very top left corner of Excel and click the File tab. This opens what's called the Backstage view, a full-screen menu where you'll find app-level settings and details that aren't on the normal worksheet. On the left-hand side of this view, you'll see a vertical list of options. Click Account. Depending on your build of Office, you might see it labeled as Office Account, but it's the same place. If your window is very narrow, widen it so the full menu is visible. The Account page is where Excel shows product information, license status, and update details. On the Account page, focus on the Product Information section. Here, you'll see the product name, such as Microsoft 365 Apps for Business, or a one-time purchase like Excel 2021 or Excel 2019. Right nearby, look for the About Excel option. Selecting About Excel opens a small window that displays the precise version and build number, and whether your installation is 32-bit or 64-bit. This is the most complete and reliable spot for version details. You'll typically see something like version 16.0 followed by a longer build string. The version and build tell you exactly which release you're on, while 32-bit or 64-bit matters for certain add-ins and integrations. Take a moment to note the information exactly as shown. If you're documenting it for IT or a support request, copy the version and build number verbatim, or take a quick screenshot so you don't miss any digits. If you're comparing features from a tutorial, check the product name too. Microsoft 365 often gets new features sooner than perpetual versions like 2021 or 2019. When you're done, close the About window to return to the Account page, and then back out of the File view to your workbook. That's all there is to it. By going to File, opening the Account page, and reviewing the product information and About Excel details, you'll always know exactly which Excel version you have, making troubleshooting, learning, and compatibility checks much smoother. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to double-check what to click.